Hey guys, I already tell you I'm going to change this website template. So before you do any kind of changes to your WordPress or any kind of website, you must get a backup, because if something goes wrong you have backup, so you can restore your backup and do that changes again. If you do something without backup, that means if something you did wrong, your website will be lose or your website will damage, so you have to redo your work again if you don't have backup. So getting backup is really important. Definitely get backup before do any kind of stuff. So I already have how to get backup on WordPress, and also I have video about how to clone your website, so I will put those link on description. So this is the video, and I will see you in next one.